Hey folks, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making strawberry pretzel salad. First off, you take regular pretzels, little pretzel twist, but you can buy any kind you want. And I've chopped them up. I put mine in the food processor, but you can put them in a bag and use a rolling pin to, just crack them up. And this is going to be the crust. I've got my oven at 350. I got a 13x9 pan. I sprayed mine a little bit on the bottom just to make sure it comes out good. And we're going to put 4.5 tablespoons of sugar. And 3/4 cup of melted butter. This is such a good crust. Buttery. It's going to have crunch. With strawberries being ripe this time of year and plentiful, but if they're not, you can always use one package, 16 ounces of frozen strawberries to make this. So you can make this year round. We're going to pour the crust into our baking dish. I'm going to flatten it. Make it go all the way to the edge. We're going to put it in the oven for 10 minutes. Then we're going to bring it out and let it cool before we put our topping on it. You've got to boil 2 cups of water till it's hot. Then you're going to put your Jell-O in there. I'll go ahead and do that, because it has to cool off some. This is strawberry gelatin, 6 ounces. Oh, it smells so good. Strawberry. We're going to mix this until it dissolves. Then we're going to let it cool a little bit. And we're going to take our 2 cream cheese, 8 ounces. And we'll add a cup of sugar. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to mix that. Next, I'm going to add 1 8-ounce container of whipped cream. Fold in the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture. I've taken the pretzel crust out of the oven, and it's cooling, and it's just lightly brown and it looks great. I got 1 pound of strawberries. I've washed them. I took the stems off and I sliced them, and we'll put them in this bowl. And then I'm going to take the Jell-O that I've dissolved and pour it in there. Then I'm going to stir it around. And I'm going to let this cool for a few minutes. And then we'll be ready to put the strawberry pretzel salad together. We've had the crust cooled, so it's ready to put the second layer on there. I've got the cream cheese, and we're going to put that on top. We're going to spread it out. You want everything covered up, because when you put your Jell-O layer, you don't want nothing to seep down. We've got it all evened out and to the edges, and now we're going to put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to chill. And then we'll come back. I've already got my strawberries and gelatin ready, and then that will be the last layer. It has set up, and so we're going to add the strawberries. And we're just going to put the strawberries over the top with the gelatin. After we get this all in here, we're going to put it in the fridge. I'm going to let mine sit overnight, but if you're really in a rush, at least 3 hours. So it can sit. I hope you try it, and it's going to be good. We'll come back and show you after it gels. We'll come back and show you pictures. It's an old-timey recipe. It's been around a long time. If you've gone to an event, church function, any kind of you know, thing like that, you've probably saw it or you've had it. I've tried it many times. It's delicious. Down in the comments, tell me what's your favorite way to eat strawberries or any kind of fruit. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise, as well as any affiliate link that I may have. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. Thank you always for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.